about how can you enable hid profile on your Pocket option app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on profile. When you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on profile here. So when you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down. Just keep going down here. You come here to hide my profile. Click in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean hid my profile enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for